Hi friends, in the previous section we have learned about GNU project and also the four freedoms which the GNU project provides. Okay, so basically when we were discussing about freedoms, so some of the one of the freedoms was to run program as you wish, right? And also how to study how the program works. Okay, so in this lecture what we will do, we will try to change the behavior of our ls command, right? So the ls command by default run and list all the files from a specific directory. So we'll try to change the behavior. Okay, so in this lecture what we are going to do, we are going to download the source code, then we will try to modify it, then we will try to compile it, and then we will try to install the updated source code. Okay, so this is a very interesting course, and yeah, so let's move on our ubuntu vm. Let's practice this. I'm on my ubuntu vm. I will open my browser and I will go on my gnu.org. So I'm already in my there and I will go on my software. So if you are going to gnu.org, navigate to the software section. Then in here, so the basic commands are in core utils package. So grep, find, ls, cat, every command is stored in core utils package. So I will go in there. Then from in there, I will look for the source code, how you can download it. So I will go in there. I am on my index pages, so I will check for whatever the latest package is. Okay, the latest package I can see is 9.5. So what I will do, I will use the xz. Okay, so basically you can use a gz, compressed archive also. So let's go ahead with the latest .tar.xz. Okay, so let's go with tar.gz. Okay, so I will go ahead and I will download it. So it will start the downloading the latest package. So I have downloaded my tar.gz and we have already learned about compression and decompression. So what I will do, I will open my terminal. So first I will navigate here. I have navigated, then I will go to my downloads folder. I will delete unnecessary content, and in here, so what I will do, I will right click and open the terminal here. Now in here, if so, we have learned to how you decompress this archive. So you can do that by tar command. So I will do tar, then x, and what was the algorithm for gz compressor algorithm? It was z, then f, right? xzf. Then we have to provide the name core, then utils star.gz, right? If you download xz package, so you will, so this is a z xz algorithm, so you should use capital Z here, capital J, sorry. Okay, capital J, and the small j was for bz compress algorithm. Okay, so I will use xz. Now I will hit enter. I'm not giving verbose options so that it will give me all the lists because it might contain various of the codes here. So once it is done, it is gz. Okay, I will hit enter. Now it has created folder for me. I will navigate to it. I am in there. So if I will list the contents here, so there will be various content I would see with less command. Once I will go there, so there will be various option in there. Okay, and let me press exit. Now let me also open it from GUI. And in here, if you will navigate to your source folder, it has contained all the commands that you use on your VM, right? So basically what it is, the C extension, it is a C file for that command. Okay, and if you will see here, so there will be ls command also in there. So here you go. So it has ls file also. So if I will ls, and if I will grab it with ls, okay, I haven't navigated to my source folder. If I will now ls, so you can see we have this file of our ls command. Okay, so what I will do, I will open this ls file with my vim editor. So vi, then vils.c file, I will open it. Then there are various thing in there. Okay, you, if you are free, you may go through all the code that is written in here. Okay, so you might be remembering when you learned about the C programming, there will be something of called a function called main function, right, in a C programming. So what does that function do? So that function control the whole programming behavior of the program. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to write a custom command to it. Okay, so I will go to the line number 1433. So if you are using Vim, you can directly press colon and then 1433. I will hit enter. I am inside my main folder. So how you can verify that? So I will, if I will go in there, so okay, I am not in my main folder. So what I will do, I will search for my main. So here I am on my main. Okay, I have searched with my string command. Okay, so in here I will press I for insert mode. I will press I for insert mode, and in here what I am going to do, I am writing a piece of code. And what the code is, so basically printf is the function used for printing anything. Printf and then colon, and then I am going to write hello from DevOps channel. Okay, and in here I am also pasting the everything else to the next line. Okay, so what I'm just adding a print text to it. Okay, what I will do, I will press escape in here. Now I will press colon, then I will write hit exit it. Okay, so I will do that. I have done that. Now you have written your C program, okay, in your ls. Now you want to, obviously you want to compile it first. So basically the first step is to compile it to machine readable format. So in GNU we have something called GCC, the GNU compiler. So we will install that first. So we'll go to sudo apt get install GCC. So it will ask for my password. I will give my password. It will take some time, ask for my verification. I will give it yes. Now it will take some time. If needed, I will pause the video. Now it's done. I will navigate to my back folder. Here I will try to list the contents. So if you will go there, so there are some green file which are runnable program. So there is something called configure. So I will run it as bash script. So basically what it will do, it will start the configuration and it will detect that this user is going to use that. Okay. So I will run bash and then I will run configure. Okay. I will hit enter. Now what it will do, it will install a command called make. So basically the make command is very smart and very popular command. So basically what it will do, it will change the configuration at one go. Okay, if you will run the make command, it will try to install it everything on itself. So it is going to take some time. I will try to pause the video or fast forward it if possible. Okay, now this command was run and it took approx 5 to 10 minutes, and also I got some error. I don't know if it will affect my result. So let's move forward. So basically what it will do, it will also create or make a repository called make, and which is now going to helpful for compiling or installing our new command. Okay, now once it's done, what I will do, I will install a make command. So if I will try to run make, so it will not get installed, but I can install it. So I will use sudo apt-get install make. Okay, once I will done, so it will go ahead and install the make package. Now if needed, I will, okay, it's not needed to pause any video. Now what I will do, I will just run make in there. So once I will run make, what it will do, it will take all the compiled code with which was compiled, and then it will just configure all the things. So I will run make. So now my make command is now ran fully. Now I will use sudo make install command to install all the applied updates to my computer. So once I will run it, so what it will do, it will pick all the binary code that it was compiled, and then it will apply to my system. Okay, so I will do that, and I will pause if needed. So once it's done, you should not get any error. Now, if I will close my terminal, okay, I'm closing my terminal and I will reopen it again. Let me navigate to my any folder, or let's open this folder in here also. And here there are many files. So if I will list the files here, so you can see that I have added my hello from DevOps channel here. Okay, so every time when I will run my ls command, every time, so it will give hello from DevOps channel in the beginning. So that's how we have customized our ls command behavior. So that's make the one of the freedom of GNU project. Okay, so hope we have described it and you have made it too. Okay, now how you can revert it back. So what I will go to source folder again, cd source, then I will open my ls command ls.c. Okay, I will open it and I am already on my main thing. So what I will do, I will press I for insert mode and I will go ahead and delete this line. Okay, I've done that. I will press escape key for command mode, then I will write hit or save it. Okay, now I will try to open again to be sure that I haven't do anything wrong. Then I will quit it and exit it. Now it's done. Now what I will do, I will navigate to my back folder because all of the runnable programs are there. I will run make so that it will change everything because we run make earlier to apply all the changes. So now we will run make, and at the same time we will run sudo make install. So first it will run the make file, whatever file in there, and then it will apply the changes. Okay. So once I will hit enter, so it will check for everything and it will asking for my password. I will hit it. Now it will check everything and pass everything in there. Once it's done, I will exit my terminal. I will try to open the terminal here again. I am in there. If I will list my files here, so you can see now it's gone. So we have reverted our changes, and I would also suggest to revert your changes after playing with it. Okay, so I'm hoping that that was very interesting, and you know one of the freedom that you can change the behavior of your code of your any command. Okay, you can similarly play with the echo command. Whenever echo is typing with any custom name, it should say your name. Okay, so you can customize in your behavior. So I'm hoping that you were clear with this. So that's it for this lecture. And this was the interesting one. In the next lecture, we will learn about the software repos in Linux or Unix. Okay. So thank you all. And that's it for this lecture. We'll meet you in the next lecture.